We got it here, work table, Sawhorse. At the same time, this is top rated. It has 2,300 5-star reviews. You barely see that kind of products on Amazon. So this is one of the toppest rated out there. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. It says 300 pounds, 135 kilograms. Okay, the unboxing part was very easy. Oh wow, look at that. There's the clamps, or whatever they called, already built into it. There's a second pair on this side. Okay, obviously we need to open it first. How do we open the legs? Okay, just like that. Cool. Will they open by itself once I lift this up? Yeah, they do, and it locks in automatically. Wow, beautiful. This comes off for different size and stuff like that. Right here. Yep, was tight. Yep, it's tight. Same one over here. You take this one out, put it next to it or whatever, wherever you need it. And it's pretty easy to grab it and slide in and out. Like that. So that's pretty awesome. Whenever you don't need it, you just push it forward and set it back over here. And the other one on the other side. This side here for the blade, and it says do not sit, do not stand, do not put it on the side of the table, I guess, too much weight. Do not sit with one foot out, just put weight either in the middle like that, or enough weight both sides, and weight on the bottom over here, and it says maximum 20 pounds right here, little table. Yeah, I wouldn't put anything out here. Now the question is, how hard is it to close it back up? Is there some kind of latch that I have to press? Maybe these two? Oh wow, cool. I guess you can close one table, or you can close them both and use it as a Sawhorse, you know, regular Sawhorses. This is nice. I have a couple homemade ones. They're horrible, but whenever you cut through them by mistake, you don't care about it. So make sure if you're cutting on top of it, have something over here so you don't cut it. But there's two slits over here for the blade. Very nice and easy. Boom. Grab it and take it away. One more time to set it up. Ow, dropped it on my toe. To close it down, boom, boom. And you know, the ones that we have, the homemade ones, they took up too much space in the garage. So this is way better. And the clamps and everything you need next to it. Beautiful.